Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I remain Fashion Raphael, one expert and a business coach. Okay, how to monetize a brand. So I'll be explaining the first thing that you need to do. Now you must know how to target the right audience. I call this targetability. Branding should be planned according to the targeted audience. No business firm can target the entire population. Now you must know that you cannot sell to everybody. You must know the right audience to sell to. Now if you want to expand your brand, if you want to monetize your brand, it is very important for you to know the audience you're selling to. Is very important to understand the kind of audience you're selling to. Business owners should identify the type of people who are buying their products and services. It's very important to know this. Now you can actually grow your audience, or you can actually target your audience by being positioned in the right way. You have to be well positioned. If you want to get the right audience, you have to know where your audience are. You have to know their likes, you have to know their dislike, you have to know their income level. Let's say for example, if you are selling a product worth 1,000 naira, you should know the kind of audience that will buy what you are selling. So if you understand this thing, it will be very easy for you to sell to the right kind of people. Your brand will be well positioned to sell to the right audience. Now research should be done on the basis of age, gender, income and lifestyle of their customers. Now it's very important to understand the age, the gender, the income level and the lifestyle of your audience. Now if you're selling unisex product, you should know that this product is meant for both male and female. And also if you're selling a male product, you should know that you are only targeting male audience. So you should not mix it together so that you will not be selling to the wrong people. So it's very important for you to sell to the right audience, which I'll be showing now. Awareness is next on my list. Now it is very important to create an awareness for your brand. Being a new brand in the market, you have to create brand awareness. I call this brand awareness. Now if you do not create awareness for your business, you will not get the right audience to sell to. Okay, and you can actually leverage on social media. Now being a brand expert, I leverage on social media. I help business to leverage on social media so that they can sell their product. Now you also can actually leverage on social media to create an awareness for your product by doing digital marketing. You can actually run an ad to let people know about your brand, about what you are for them, about what you want to sell. So this will help them to know what your business is into. Now it is very important for you to create an awareness. Awareness is very important. Being a business person, you have to create an awareness for your business. Brand awareness can be increased with the help of advertisements on TV, radio, newspaper, or social media marketing and advertising. Now you should know that before we have some kind of advert that we do, but since we are in the digital age, you have to leverage on the digital age so that you have to go digital, because your clients are also online. You have to reach them via social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and other media that you know that you can actually get your audience. Now loyalty is next thing I'll be talking about, but before I talk about loyalty, I'll be dropping this loyalty in my next video, and you just have to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get my next presentation on loyalty. Now these are one of the ways you can actually monetize your personal brand. You being a brand, you have to monetize your personal brand. So till I come your way again, I'll be dropping my next video on loyalty and consistency. Then you will receive more videos from me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell for notification. Thank you. I remain your coach, Fashion Raphael.